solve this problem here. If x is greater than 0, what is one possible solution to the equation above? So our equation here is x cubed times x squared minus 5 equals negative 4x. The first thing we do is we can simplify this given equation here and we can rewrite this. So this is x cubed times x squared minus 5 equals negative 4x. Then we can distribute x cubed to the expression inside the parenthesis, which is x squared minus 5. So that would be x cubed times x squared, and then copy the operator sign, which is minus x cubed times 5 equals negative 4x. Then we have x to the fifth minus 5x cubed equals negative 4x. Then we add 4x to both sides. This cancels out. And we have x to the fifth minus 5x cubed plus 4x equals 0. And now we can factor out x from this expression here. So that would be x times x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 4 equals 0. So actually, this expression here inside the parenthesis is a quadratic equation. Then we can write that equation, or we can factor this expression here. So that is x times x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 4 equals 0. Then we can factor this one. That would be, we can write this as x squared. Okay, we do trial and error. X squared minus 4 times x squared minus 1. And then we have two expressions here of the difference of two squares. Then we can further factor these two expressions here. So we can write x squared minus 4 as x minus 2 times x plus 2, and x squared minus 1 as x minus 1 times x plus 1 equals 0. Now we can solve for the values, the possible values for x, and find out the possible solution to this equation. And take note that x should be greater than 0. So we have here x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, so that is x equals 2, x plus 2 equals 0, x equals negative 2. Then we have x minus 1 equals 0, x equals 1. Then x plus 1 equals 0, x equals negative 1. So among the solutions here, we got 5 values for our x. We have x equals 0, x equals negative 2, x equals 2, x equals 1, x equals negative 1. It says here x, if x is greater than 0, therefore the value of x could either be 1 or 2. So our answer is either 1 or 2. The one problem here. If 7 over 9x minus 4 over 9x equals 1/4 plus 5 over 12, what is the value of x? So all we have to do here, the first thing we do is to get the least common multiple of the denominators, which are 9, 4, and 12. The lowest number that can be divided by 9, 4, and 12. So our LCM here is just equal to 36. So let's multiply this equation here by 36. Okay, so that would be 7 times 36x over 9 minus 4 times 36x over 9 equals 36 over 4 plus 5 times 36 over 12. So we can simplify both sides. 36 divided by 9 is just equal to 4. So 7 times 4 is just 28. X minus, okay, 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. X equals 36 divided by 4 is 9. Plus 36 divided by 12 is 3. So that is 5 times 3. And simplifying this further, 28 minus 16x is just 12x equals 9 plus 15. This is 15. So that is just 24. Now we can divide both sides by 12. So the value for our x is equal to 2. So the answer here is 2.